Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ford GT versus the Porsche 911 Turbo S. We'll dive into their incredible performance capabilities, exploring how each car delivers power and speed. Then, we'll look at their distinct design approaches and the unique driving experiences they offer. Finally, we'll consider which of these automotive titans provides the better overall value for enthusiasts. Under the hood, the Ford GT is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing up to 660 horsepower and 550 pound-feet of torque. The Porsche 911 Turbo S, on the other hand, utilizes a 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six, delivering 640 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. Both vehicles are engineering marvels, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.5 to 3.0 seconds. The Ford GT is a purpose-built race car for the road, offering a raw, track-focused driving experience with its aerodynamic design and lightweight carbon fiber construction. Its interior is driver-centric, emphasizing performance. The Porsche 911 Turbo S, however, blends exhilarating performance with everyday usability. Its design prioritizes both form and function, with sleek lines and active aerodynamics. The 911 Turbo S provides a more refined and comfortable ride for daily driving. When considering value, the Ford GT, with its limited production, often commands higher prices and can be a significant investment. Ownership costs for the Ford GT can be surprisingly reasonable for routine maintenance, but specific parts like brake pads can be very expensive. The Porsche 911 Turbo S, while still a luxury vehicle, generally offers more practicality and lower depreciation over 5 years. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you prioritize a pure track machine or a versatile, high-performance daily driver. For more insights on managing your finances, check out the book link and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.